Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to troubleshoot common FBA issues. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, troubleshooting common FBA issues is essential to keeping your Amazon business running smoothly. Let's walk through some common problems you might encounter and how to address them. First, if you're facing inventory discrepancies, where the inventory count in Seller Central doesn't match your actual stock, start by checking your inventory reports. Look for any discrepancies between the quantities recorded and the physical stock. Ensure that all your shipments have been processed correctly and that there are no pending issues with your shipment plans. Next, if you're dealing with shipping errors such as late or misplaced shipments, make sure you've entered the correct tracking information in your shipment plan. If there are delays, contact your freight forwarder for updates and verify the status of your shipment with Amazon's shipment tracking tool. For product listing issues like incorrect images or descriptions, you'll want to review your listing data in Seller Central. Make sure that all the details, including product titles, images, and descriptions, are accurate and up to date. If you find any discrepancies, make the necessary changes and monitor the listing to ensure it's updated correctly. If you're seeing high removal fees or storage costs, check your inventory age and storage reports. Items that have been in the warehouse for a long time can incur additional fees. Regularly review your inventory to identify slow-moving items and consider running promotions or discounts to move them faster. Lastly, if you encounter customer return issues like defective products or returns that aren't processed properly, go to the Return Report section in Seller Central. Review the details of each return and ensure that your returns are handled according to Amazon's guidelines. If you spot any inconsistencies, contact Amazon Seller Support for further assistance. Addressing these issues promptly can help keep your FBA operations smooth and your customers satisfied. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.